how to add stickers on WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add stickers to your WeChat conversations. So to do so, there are two major ways of doing that. And the first step is by adding custom stickers in the chat. So for example, if you're chatting with someone and a person sends a sticker, you can just long press on any sticker, and after long pressing on it, you will see a list of options like delete, add, and all. Select add to save it, and then tap the smiling icon in the bottom right corner of the chat, and you'll see all of your stickers there. But then you can also create custom stickers from your phone album. And how do you do so? Move to the bottom right corner, click on the me icon, and the options displayed here, select sticker gallery. All right. So, um, amongst the options displayed here, you can decide to add as many stickers as you want from the list of stickers here. So you can just move to the top right to the right side of each sticker that you like to add, and then click on add. I just click on add. So after clicking on add, you would see that the add button we change to send sticker. All right. So that is one way. And then you can also choose custom stickers by going to the top right corner where you can see the gear icon which stands for settings. Select it, and then you can see custom stickers. So just select that, and then you can see custom stickers. You can see the two custom stickers that are available on my account. Yours might be more than this. All right. Then click on the plus icon to select a picture from your phone album as a sticker. So I'll be selecting this particular picture, and then once it's okay, just click on done, and then you see adding just like that. This sticker would be added, or this picture will be added as a sticker to my stickers, and then I can send it to wherever I want to and use it to whatever conversation I want to. So these are the various ways whereby you can add stickers on WeChat. It is very cool, so try them out today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.